Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to remove indicators on MT5 PC. First, open the MT5 platform on your PC. Once the platform loads, open any chart such as GBP, JPY, and you'll see the indicators that are currently applied to the chart, both on the main screen and in the lower indicator window. To remove an indicator from the main chart, place your mouse cursor over the indicator until its name appears. This shows that the indicator is selected. Next, right-click on the indicator. From the menu that appears, select Delete Indicator. The indicator will be removed immediately from the chart. If you want to remove an indicator from the lower window, simply right-click on that indicator as well. Then choose Delete Indicator or Delete Indicator window from the options. Once you click Delete, the indicator will be removed instantly from your MT5 chart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.